Hi there, my name is Grace and I'm the owner of the Fog Miranda Real Estate Team. We'd like to invite you to our free workshop about things you can do now to get your home ready to sell. Have you considered selling your home in the next 5 years or so, but you're a bit overwhelmed with what you need to do to get your house ready? Many people have been in their homes for many years and they have a lot of stuff. It can be very overwhelming, but we can help you make a plan. Our workshop is called Let It Go because that is what most of our clients are asking about, their stuff. We're going to cover some really important subjects like decluttering. Like how do you do that? And where do you begin? Is there an effective system that can help with that without leading to divorce? Are there repairs that you should do ahead of time? What about painting? Should you do a pre-inspection? How do you sell your home as is? And of course, what the heck is the real estate market doing? Is it going up? Is it going down? And when is the best time to sell? We would love to see you, and we want to make this process as easy as possible for you. Please reach out to us and reserve your spot, and we will feed you. We will send you all the details when you RSVP.